Good morning to all. Today we are going to see a topic about towers of Hanoi. The towers of Hanoi is a problem in a Python language which can be solved in any other language. Here it is a game which can be played with three set of stands along with the stand. Three set of stand along with the n number of disc. So here it is a very famous game. It consists of three pegs and n number of disc. The main objective of this game is to transfer the disc from first pole to the third pole, that is from source to destination pole. The second additional pole will act like a auxiliary pole. We need to move all the end disk from source pole to destination pole. With there are two constraints that no larger disk can be placed over the smaller disk, and the next thing is at a time only one disk can be moved from one pole to another pole. These are the conditions. Based on this condition, we need to transfer n disk from source pole to destination pole. We can change the number of disk size, but we cannot change the peg size. That is, it consists of only three poles: source, auxiliary and destination. It is a smaller representation of a towers of Hanoi game. Here the three poles are attached to a strand, and all the discs are arranged like they are stacked together in first pole. That is, A acts like a source pole and C will be the destination pole. We need to transfer all these three discs from source A to C with the help of auxiliary pole B. Then the steps to solve the problem. Here it is a diagrammatic representation. First, we need to shift all the n minus 1 disk from source to auxiliary pole, that is A to B. Then next, the larger disk which is at last of the pole, which is placed at last position in the A pole, can be shifted to the last destination pole C. Then after that, the n minus 1 disk which is placed at the auxiliary pole can be moved to the destination N. So that here it is represented with the help of step-by-step representation is represented with the help of diagram. Here the first red color disk is moved to the destination C. Then after that, the white disk is placed over the auxiliary pole. Then after that, the red disk can be moved over the white disk, and then finally the larger disk which is green disk at A can be moved to the destination. Here we should follow the rule called, in one step only one disk can be moved, can shift its position. All other disks should remains in the pole. Then no smaller disk can be placed under the larger disk. The next, after fixing the larger disk at the destination C, now we are moving the red disk from B to A. The next, we can move the second larger disk, that is white disk, to over the green disk at the pole C. Then at last, the red disk from the peg A, that is pole A, source pole, can be moved over the white disk which is placed at C. So in for three disks to shift from position A to C, we need to process this with within 8 steps. Next, we are moving for the program how to do all these shifting positions with the help of Python program. Here a function is defined. DEF towers of Hanoi is the function name, with the following arguments like n, that is number of disk, source rod, destination rod and auxiliary rod. The next, we are checking for the condition if n double equal to 0 means there is no disk placed at the location, so we just return it. Or else if n is 1 means we just move the disk from source to destination. The next, if we are having n minus 1 disk means we should recursively call this function towers of Hanoi with the following steps. First, towers of Hanoi of n minus 1, we should move the n minus 1 disk from source to auxiliary. So here the source rod is remain same from rod, then destination rod is changed as auxiliary rod because we are shifting the disk from source to auxiliary. Then the remaining destination rod will act like a auxiliary in this step. The next, we are printing, that is we are moving the nth disk from source rod to destination rod. That step will get moved. The next, recursively, we are calling the remaining n minus 1 disk from axillary to the destination. So now the source rod is axillary rod and the destination rod is to rod. So the remaining rod, that is from rod, will act like a axillary in this step. For n equal to 3, we are processing all these steps. So here the function towers of Hanoi is called with n and the 3 poles. So by using this program, we can move the disk 3 disks from source to destination with by following the rules which is offered at Towers of Hanoi. We can also change the n size so that it could take some more steps. When we are increasing the disk size, the process of shifting will get executed in so many steps other than 8 steps. So thank you.